Yo guys, welcome to the TechStuff channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable a program that is launching with the startup of Windows. Maybe you want to disable it because it's slowing down your computer or for any other reason. But don't worry, you'll see it's very simple to do so. The first thing you need to do is to reach the task manager. To do so, you'll have to press the Ctrl, Alt, Delete keys. Now you have a black screen. This is totally normal. Don't worry. This is just that you're not seeing what I'm seeing because it's out of the recording process. Now you have a list of things to choose. You'll click on Task Manager, of course. Now you'll have that window, okay? You need to click on More Details to open up some new tabs. And in those new tabs, you'll click on the Startup one. There are all the programs that are launching with your computer, all right? And as you can see, even if it depends, there are usually plenty of things out there and plenty of crappy stuff. For instance, I have Microsoft OneDrive, which I don't use at all, that is enabled. And it's not useful for me because I don't use it. So why do I need to launch it at the startup of my computer? It's totally useless. So I'll disable it. Clicking Disable. And now you see it's not enabled anymore, it's disabled. And from now on, never ever again Windows OneDrive is going to launch with my computer. And that's it, guys. You're done. Was it difficult? Tell me in the comment section. I don't think so. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and random tech stuff. You can also leave a like, and I see you in the next one.